Hi, I'm going to show you how to add cross-platform notifications to FileMaker using a service called pushover.net. This is a demo file that you can download from the article, and it's got some setup that you can go through pretty easy here. So first thing we need to do is create an account, pushover.net. I've already done that, so I'm going to check that off. The next thing we need to do is create an application. So we're going to click here. And let's just call this demo app. And I'm going to choose an icon for my notifications. And I'm just going to click create. So this is what we really need right here, the API token. So, and that's actually our last step. Just put that in. So it takes us here where we have users. I'm going to go ahead and add my user key here. And so the user key you can find on the home page, but you don't necessarily want to have your users have to send this in or whatever. So what you can do is you can use their API key to just log in the user. And that will pull down their user key, as you can see. I'm going to add one more user. Okay. And then let's go ahead and send a notification. Right now I'm just going to send it to my desktop. Let's send that. All right, so we got our notification, and you'll notice that I set it up as an emergency priority. What that means is it's going to keep repeating. I believe I set it to every 60 seconds for up to 12 hours. It'll keep repeating and repeating until I acknowledge it. So once it's acknowledged, now it's not going to alert me anymore. So it's kind of a cool feature that you can do with the notifications. One other thing you can do that's really nice is you can actually create groups. So I'm going to go ahead and create a delivery group. We'll call this test group. We'll just create that. Oh, demo group. There we go. So let's go ahead and add that group key here. And we named it demo group. So now I can start joining my users to the groups. So my phone's joined, and now my desktop is joined. And right now they're both currently enabled. And you can see when I refresh this, yep, here are the users, the memo that we wanted to associate with it here. And now we can send a notification to a group. And we can change the sound. We'll just do a high priority. And we should see notification on both. Yep, just like that. And to send this, it's actually pretty easy. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on. So we have the send notification script, and we're just setting a couple variables here. The important one is when we actually set this URL. So we're just sending the post to messages here, and then these are our parameters. You know, the user ID, which could be either a group ID or an individual user ID, title, message, sound, URL, etc. And all we're doing is we're inserting from URL into this hidden field here, and then we're parsing it out, any information if we want to get any error messages or something like that. But yeah, pretty simple process. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Thanks.